Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today I'm coming at you with a video about creating and naming folders. This will help someone that has a PC to keep it maybe more organized, and we'll just talk about how you can store things to make it more efficient, and we'll dig a little deeper into them in farther videos. So, first thing, let's go where your files are stored down here in this little manila folder. This is called File Explorer. Now when you pull it up, we'll max the screen here. It shows frequently visited places, recent files, and things like that. So if you look over here down the side, you see that there's a quick access bar. These are folders that you access regularly. These are pinned here. You can pin other folders, and these are recently accessed folders. If you click the drop down next to this PC, you'll see the different user folders that you have. The desktop, which is things that are saved here on this screen. You also have a documents folder, a downloads folder where things downloaded from the internet automatically go. Music folder, pictures, and videos. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the documents folder, where you can see I have a few folders already created here. So you can see that the first thing I did when I was before I created these folders, was kind of decide how I wanted to divide my documents out. You know, what things do I deal with regularly? Do I have recipes? Do I have, doctor's information? Anything pertaining to my health? And then say photos. So there's a few different ways. You could save them in these pictures here, and to videos, and then the rest of the stuff would probably end up recipes and health related information would end up in your documents folder. But several people that I help with computers tend to like everything to be in this folder here, and when they go into documents they can just see all their stuff. I use the pictures folder and things to separate it out, but we're just going to cover quickly creating a folder inside of the documents folder. So you're just going to right click anywhere on the screen in this big white area right here, hover over new, and then click folder. Now you can see automatically it names it new folder, but I'm going to go ahead and name it something else. So let's go ahead and say those are specifically family photos, so let's go ahead and name it family. So now you can see that we have 4 folders now, and so it is fairly easy to create a folder, and this would really help you stay organized. Especially if you look inside the food folder and there's different recipes, it really makes it nice. And that is how you create a folder, and we'll dig a little deeper in other videos. So thanks for watching. This is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech.